me float, float, boy, you really give me high. Ooh, I feel like I'm on dope, 'cause you.
Alright, y'all, it is almost 11 o'clock. We just checked out and packed and all that good stuff. And we're on our way to Chinatown to eat before we get on the road and do the 6-hour drive. So that'll be fun.
See that?
Yeah.
This tastes like ice cream.
And then it's a winter storm in fucking Minnesota. Of course, at this time that we have to go back home. So now we're gonna have to deal with that shit.
Don't forget to tell him about my brakes.
And his brakes fucking suck. Just made it home, went through the winter storm and all that, and we made it here around 9:05. 9:06. I am tired as hell. That was a roller coaster and it was fucking scary. So